What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're gonna unbox the KZ headphones. This is the best headphones I think that you can get if you play in a band and you want an in-ear earphone for budget price. This is best bang for your buck. This is by KZ ZSN Pro. Each earphone have their own driver. You get the best sound. It also cancels the noise around you. And this is very important when you are playing in a band. The price for these earbuds is also $30 in Amazon. That would be in Canadian price. So therefore, it doesn't cost very much to have that best quality for your earbuds. So let's go ahead and open up these little bags that come in this package. They also give you a bunch of different earbuds, sizes, whatever fits best for your ear. I usually just use the small ones, but I'll see in the end what fits me the most or best. On this one, this is the cable. So let's go ahead and open that up. This is the cable that will attach to our earbuds. And there you go. And the rest is just literature. We don't need to look at that. Basically, it's pretty straightforward. It's a wired earbuds. Therefore, you'll be able to just plug this in to a headphone jack, whatever it may be, and you're good to go. Now, when you're attaching the earbuds to the wires is very complicated. If you're not used to it, once you get used to it, it gets pretty easy. So basically, you have to make sure that it's facing. You have to put on the earbuds on your ears first, and make sure that the wire is running behind your ears, so that you'll be able to wear it properly and have that best fit. Later on, we're gonna attach it to our ears and make sure that we are wearing it properly. I'll show you guys how it looks, how it should look on your ears so that you won't be confused. As you could see there, as soon as you put them together, the two earbuds has a very good magnet. That's one indicator that your earbuds has a very good quality speakers in them, drivers as well. Now let's go ahead and attach the earbuds to our ears, making sure that everything fits well. I'm going to show you how to attach it together and also how to replace the tips on the earbuds itself. So let's go ahead and unravel the cables. Now when that's done, you can go ahead and just put that down for now. And we're gonna replace the tips. So the replacement of the tips, all you do is just pull it like that. And when you're putting it back and it's just pressure sensitive, you just push it back in. So right here, I'm gonna try to put maybe a bigger one or maybe a small one. So all you need to do is align it like that and press it just like that. And once it locks in, then you're good to go. Now let's attach the cables to the earbuds itself. So basically you just align the two prongs there, male to female, and push it in just like that. There's a warning as well that you shouldn't push it in too hard. Make sure that it's facing the right way as well. Like how we did it right now is wrong. It has to be faced the other way. Once you found the best fit and you put them together, you can go ahead and attach this to any phone slash dongle. Maybe you're using an iPhone that is quite old. Just attach it like that, and let's do a sound test. And there you go. It's quite loud, as you could see there, as you've heard. It also has a very great quality. Now we're gonna test out the bass and how well it works as well. Here we go. Now to put it on, all you need to do is put it around your ear and then push it in your ear just like that. Hope you could see that. It takes a bit of practice, so just give it a few shots. Now you could do the other side as well, like that, again over your ear and then inside just like that. So it'll sit on your ears just like that. It does look nice if you look at it on your ear. It does sit there very well, and it blocks a lot of sounds, so that's pretty good. Great quality from KZ earphones. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing slash initial review for the KZ earbuds, wired earbuds. Hope you guys have a good day. Comment below what you think of this video. If you're gonna get one, is it worth it in 2020 to buy a wired headphone? I'll see you at the comments below. Thanks for watching and peace out.